Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the most exciting, high-quality gear from across the web. Today, we're diving into what we consider the best harmonica blues harp diatonic set available right now, the Susuluy Blues Harmonica Set. Whether you're a seasoned musician, a passionate hobbyist, or a curious beginner, this set of 7 harmonicas is going to blow you away, quite literally. What makes the Susuluy Harmonica Set special is the complete range of musical keys it offers: C, D, E, F, G, A, and B flat, all packed in one sleek, well-built kit. Each harmonica in this set is a 10-hole, 20-tone diatonic harp, which is the standard choice for blues, rock, folk, jazz, and even classical music. You get full flexibility to perform in different musical genres, on stage or in studio, without needing to swap between brands or hunt for a matching tone. This set comes in a stylish black finish and is part of a modern, professional-grade line that looks great and performs even better. It's ideal for adults and kids alike, beginners looking to explore music, students practicing technique, or professionals needing a solid, reliable backup for gigs. Now let's talk craftsmanship. Susuluy hasn't cut any corners here. The harmonicas are built with high-quality materials, chrome-plated mirrors for a polished look, stainless steel and resin construction for durability, and food-grade ABS resin combs that are child-safe and smooth on the lips. This is an instrument you can play for hours without fatigue or irritation. The heart of each harmonica is its reed plate, and Susuluy uses a 1 mm thick copper reed plate instead of the cheaper aluminum alternatives you find on budget harmonicas. That choice makes a big difference. Copper gives you sharper response, more vibrant tone, and better control. The phosphor bronze reeds inside are high sensitivity, which means you don't need to blow too hard to get a powerful, clear sound. Portability and presentation. Each harmonica is neatly packed and ready to go. It's the kind of set you can bring to a party, a music class, a studio session, or even an office jam. And because it's so well presented, it makes for a fantastic gift, birthdays, Christmas, anniversaries, or just because. Whether it's a souvenir, a serious instrument, or a musical surprise, this harmonica set delivers. Susuluy designed this set to be beginner-friendly but still completely satisfying for intermediate and even professional players. It's not just for practice, it's for performance too. Now let's talk value. For the price, you're getting 7 fully functional harmonicas across 7 keys, each with precision tuning and responsive playability. That's hard to beat. Whether you're playing solo blues or jamming with a band, the convenience of having a full set like this can't be overstated. And if you're wondering about support, the brand promises 100% satisfaction. Every harmonica is tuned and tested before it ships, and they offer dedicated customer support with responses within 24 hours. It's not just a purchase, it's backed by service. To wrap it all up, the Susuluy Blues Harmonica Set stands out as a complete, beautifully made, and versatile collection. For under the price of a single premium harmonica, you get a whole lineup of keys, professional quality materials, and ready-to-play tuning. This is our pick for the best diatonic harmonica set you can buy today. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Hit like if this helped you, and subscribe for more no-nonsense gear reviews. See you in the next one.